Since I got the product everywhere, you know, gotta blend it out so I'm not the crusty hoe. Blend, blend, blend the breast to do. Ooh! I don't know. Hey, oh shit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Worldofzach here, and I know I've been gone for like a hot minute, but I just want to say first off, thank you guys so much for being patient with me, being like there for me. All the supportive comments, I saw every single one of them, and I do appreciate everything. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's the last video that I uploaded about pretty much me finding out about my biological father and all that nonsense. But we're not here for that today. We're not here for that. We're here today to make sure that you subscribe to my channel, that you give this video a big thumbs up, and that you enjoy what I'm about to show you. And what's next is this Nicki video. And I'm pretty much going to be like, I got the idea from, of course, James Charles. And you're looking at the title like, bitch, you're not the originator. You're not original. Like, come on, really? Like, come on, really, though? You copied. But it's all inspiration. It was, everybody's a creator and whatnot. We just take from each other. And so James Charles created the singing his makeup tutorial thing, and he did about a year ago. He uploaded one a few weeks ago, and it made me think of, well, there was a part in the video towards the end where he did like a rapping part to Cardi B, and I was like, yo, I would love to do like a full like rapping my makeup tutorial. And then with the whole hype around Nicki, her whole Queen album and such, I was like, I'm gonna do Nicki though, because whoever, like who better to do rap though than like the Queen? Like, why not do the Queen of rap? To, if you don't agree that she's the Queen, then that's not for discussion right now. We're not talking about it. We're just not taking it right there today at this moment in time right now. We're just not gonna do it. It's just what it is. If you enjoy Nicki, if you don't enjoy Nicki, then just enjoy the video and enjoy me, you know, because, you know, I am a self-proclaimed rapper. I got bars. I don't really know where they at half the time, but I got bars. They're there somewhere. I got bars. And just a disclaimer as well, I'm not a barb. I'm not a barb. Like Kenneth and Zachary said, like I'm in a dollhouse, in a Barbie house. I come and visit a few times. You know, I may drop off a package here and there, but I don't reside there. I don't have like a P.O. box there. You know, I'm not a barb. Maybe I am. Am I a barb? Do you know what a barb is? Barb is like Nicki Minaj is like her fans. Like Beyonce has the Beehive, Nicki Minaj has the Barbs. Would you say I'm a barb? Nope.
Sometimes.
So I'm a part-time barb. All right, cool. So Julia, who is going to be helping me with this video, she just said that I'm a part-time barb, so I guess I'm a part-time barb here and there. I'll take that. I'm a part-time barb. I am a part-time barb. I clock in and out when I want to. I can't be that committed to that relationship right now at this point in my life. I just can't. Maybe in the future, about a year or two from now, I can probably reside there, have a dorm room set up and everything. But for right now, like I said, Julia's going to be helping me out with this video. It's going to be a bit of a mess. Hopefully not. Hopefully it should be something entertaining, and hopefully I actually do good, because I want to make Nicki proud, because, I mean, I'm a part-time barb, So to be clear, what is going to happen is I'm pretty much going to like give Julia my phone. I created a playlist on my Apple Music, has a good bit of Nicki Minaj's songs, my favorite songs, her verses, features, and such like that. She's going to have access to all her albums and everything as well. She's Julia. Hey, Julia, say hey.
Oh, hey.
Girl, I can't hear you.
Oh, hi.
There we go. All right, now cooking with grease. So Julia's gonna just like choose a song, get randomly through shuffle, or just choose one, and whatever step I'm on my makeup, I'm just gonna try to like take whatever verse that is and the vibe of the song and like put my own words to it, but make it a makeup tutorial type of thing. You know what I'm saying? You got me. You got me. So hopefully this works out well. You guys are entertained and enjoy it. So just because I love you guys so much and I feel so bad for being gone for so long, and I just want to give back to you guys, I'm actually doing a giveaway, my first ever giveaway. First ever one. Make everybody start clapping and stuff like that. Whatever, you really don't have to clap. It's not that deep. But I am doing a giveaway, and it's probably going to be giving away like easiest on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I will be posting rules in a few days. I'll be posting a photo and such. But it is a Fenty Beauty product, and I'm super, super excited about it because it's just stellar and you want to be a part of it. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. You can see that, and also comment down below if you're interested in the giveaway and that you follow me on Instagram. Let me know, because that'll kind of like better your chances and whatnot. It's not super hard at all, but more likely gonna be like comments under the picture, tag some friends, tag Fenty, all that stuff, sis. Oh, and Nick, if you're watching this, just know that I love you, sis, and just comment whenever you want to. I'll come and sit on Queen Radio. You can have me on. I'll visit. Just let me know. Just call me. So I'm just gonna do my makeup like normal and kind of like Nicki inspired. It's gonna be something simple, just probably a wing, because you know Nicki is the queen of rap and the queen of wings and a new lip. So it's gonna be nothing crazy, nothing major. Don't worry about missing anything crazy. It's not gonna be like I'm not shaking the table up on you. So Julia has the phone, and my first step to my makeup is usually eyebrows. So give me a song, sis. Let's go. Let's get it popping. This is so hard. Oh, God. This is hard. Okay. I'm looking for a dude who can microblade me. Until then, I'ma do some Maybelline sheets. What the hell is that, dude? What is this? Some Maybelline tattoo eyebrow studio. What you want, bro? What you...
That's good though.
Oh, my God. Okay, I gotta keep going. Since I got the product everywhere, you know, gotta blend it out so I'm not a crusty hoe. Blend the brush to do. Oh, shit, bitch. Oh, God. Now that we got this product blended through, now I gotta carve these little holes through. I'ma take my LA Pro Conceal Dude, HD deal, you know what we do. Blend, and carve them holes out. Have them looking sharp, baby, watch out. Okay, so that was pretty much step one. The brows are done. Thanks to Nicki Minaj, Barbie Dreams. Yo, that was actually a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Like a lot harder, and I hope you guys can kind of see where this is gonna go. You know, great. I'm finally get a record deal out of this. I already know it. Since this is a more simple look, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go to my next step, which is gonna be prime my face and do my base. Hit it. No frauds. All right, okay. I don't need no prime. Yes, I do. I do it all the time. I don't need no cracks. Sisters whack, Two-faced, all on it. Two-faced and Auntie Jackie switch the game up and they leveled up. Two-faced, got me hyped up. I don't need no cracks. I don't need to look effing whack. I'm a effing prime. It's game time. I'm the ref in this beach. I'm a, just a little ratchet. Let me bring it back. Hold on. Hold on. I got y'all. Throw the wizards up, all my chicks is up. Two-faced primer got me lit, then what is up? Man, I was gonna get it! And we prime now, So next the foundation, what we got?
Too busy listening to your bars, my bad.
Ooh, I was closed down. I just came out of nowhere and then went like that too.
Ready?
Yeah. Bring the phone quick. Oh, this is, ain't this flawless? Like Clinton, they billing me. They probably hope I fall. They want me to lose. They want it all. But what they don't know, I got the dream team. It's me, Jackie Two-Face, born this way, the dream. You wish you could hit it like this. This. Ah! Ow! Yes. Don't stop. Get it. Yeah. You fantasizing about me, Worldofzach is Z. You wish you could be, you want me on your team. You wish you had, you wish you was a king. Ah! Oh my God, okay. Okay, this is really hard, that's all I got. I win with no curveballs involved. The beauty boy of them all. You want me, don't you? You know you want to get it. I hate talking cocky like that. It's so ugly. Okay. That was cute. That was cute. That was a cute one. Right. Okay, so now I got my foundation down and everything. So I'm just gonna set my face really quick, my under eyes, like brighten them up under my eyes, and then contour and bronze a little bit, and then like we're gonna choose a song for that. So DJ, Miss Julia, what we got? Hey, brought out the black Maybelline just to set in China, just to wet in China, just to get it right, cause it, okay, all right. Little bad sippy boy, but I'm mixed with China, real thick, but I'm mixed with, I be sculpt designer, be in designer, Goodwill designer. Little bad boy, what you want, designer? What you want to take me to get some diner food? Hey, I like Mel's Diner Boys. Ask me about them boys from Mel's Diner, yo. You know. You know we like to sculpt it up, sculpt it down. So you take a brown, then you put it down, then you get it up. Brush it down, brush it up. Then you gon' bronze it up, bronze it up. Then you gon' bronze it up, bronze it up. Then you gon' bronze it up, bronze it up. Bronze it up, bronze it up. Gonna get that sunlight on your cheekbones, even on your melanin, baby glow one. Y'all know how Nicki like to sit quiet on some of her verses. She just let y'all sit for like 2 verses, whatever, real quick, you know? Like 2 bars, whatever, she just let you sit there. I'm gonna do that too, right now. I just laughed on 2 bars. So the face is snatched or whatever, and so now we're gonna go on to the next step. I don't know how this is going on for y'all, but if you're enjoying it, then please let me know down below. Get this video a big thumbs up for real if you do like this, so I can do more other artists, singing and whatnot. Singing will be a lot easier, I feel, than rapping, because rapping, So next up, what I'm gonna do is just go into my eyeliner and just get the Nicki wing popping, get the cat eye for the guards, for the girls, for the queens out there, for the queens. I'm gonna get my wing for the queens. So what song we doing it to? I'm sorry, but it landed on Sir, and I love Sir, but it's just not. It's not the mood right now. It's not where we are in life. So if y'all are okay with that, which I hope and I pray that y'all are, DJ, spin that track again, please. Oh shit. I played Nicki. I said I want something a little more hype, and she gave me one of her hypest songs. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's this thing that I get for putting you dudes on. This my fault that all you do is gone. I'm gonna take this BH liner real quick and take it in the war and give y'all a little slick. Exactly, they just mad because you took the spot. Word, they just mad because I took the spot. Well, dudes, if you ain't shitting, then get off the pot. If you don't know how to blend your eyeshadow, then get off my block. If you don't know how to hit the slick Rick, then I'm gonna need you to go be Saint Nick. Give me some gifts and all of that too. If your girl ain't get it popping, then put me on the list too. Huh? What you saying? Word, they just mad because I took the spot. Well, bitch, if they ain't shit, they didn't get off the pot. Boys, if you ain't blending, get off my block because I'm about to come off and off your top. I see you on Instagram lurking, traveling. I see you scammed, circling. I'm gonna go off on y'all. I'm gonna go off on y'all, scalp y'all real quick. I'm gonna come back with it. I'm gonna come back, okay? You wanna lurk on me overnight? I'm the motherfucking boss, overright. And when I pull up, vroom, motorbike. Now my niggas get bucked, overbite. I see you dusty ass brushes. I see you dusty ass blenders, get it? I see you get I didn't know that, y'all, sorry. Oh my God. Yo, I'ma explain why you probably never win me. You ain't got that BH liquid liner cosmetics. You don't know what to do when you next. I'ma tell you what to do when it's wet. You get that liner, get it right. Clean it up with concealer with one clean swipe. I'ma put you on, let you know why I'm queen. Why I got the sharpest wing in the queen. It didn't make sense, but you love it. Hello. Okay. I'ma explain why you probably never with me. I push a Lamborghini, I don't know what you meaning. I got a Toyota outside, can you see me? You don't know what to do when I pull up on you. I got that sharp wing, I'm gonna cut a bitch. I don't wanna cut a bitch cause I'm not the violence. I'm not about that life because I'm not about that shit. I don't know, it's okay though. So let's get into it. What we got, DJ? Oh, dude. Did you really play Monster? She just played Monster. First things first, I eat your brains. When I'ma start rocking gold teeth and fangs. Yeah, I'm with that color pop affordable makeup gangsta. Yeah, I'm with that Shayla revenge makeup on ya. Yeah, you can be the queen, but watch the king conquer. I'm just saying, sis, you know what's up on ya. Revenge on my face, I'ma get it poppin'. Then I'ma take shade by the poppin'. Get it, what up, poppin'. Get that little glow, can you see me highlighting? First things first, I'ma eat your brains. Then I'ma go highlight unbothered. Wait, let me get this straight. I'm the rookie, but my features and my shows 10 times your pay. 50K for a verse, no album out. Only 2K on YouTube, no album out. Get it? I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going crazy. I don't know why. I just feel like I should go to school for this. Like, I need to study profession or something because I'm not that good. Yeah, no. Yeah, not good. What she say? Pink wig, thick ass, give him whiplash. Pink lips, give out. Monster! So if y'all didn't pick up what I was just trying to say, I was just saying that I'm taking the Mac and Nicki collab collection thing in the shade Age, Sex, Location. And I'm a effing monster. A mother effing monster. Yeah. I look like the old woman, her auntie, her grandma from the Princess Diaries, the Queen of Genovia. I like the Queen of Genovia, honey, while Nicki Minaj is the Queen of Rap. T. But you guys, I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. It was all fun and games, like for real. We all know that we love and adore the queen of hip hop, the queen, Nicki Minaj, Nicki the Ninja, Nicki the Barbie, Nicki the Hairjuke Barbie, Nicki Lewinsky, Nicki. Can't you see what the boys did to me? I don't know where that came from, but all in all, this is a mess, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. We love a good flop, honey. We love it. We live for a flop, and I was the flop today, low key. I have some bars in there. Because if you come roast me in the comment section down below, just know I'm going to come back for you. I will have a diss track on standby if you roast me in the comments. But go ahead and be interactive in the comments. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Give it a thumbs up, please. Please interact with me on my Instagram, Snapchat, what you guys want to see. I always respond back to comments and such and try to get back to as many DMs as I can. I'm acting like it's like thousands and shit, but you know what I'm saying. I just try to be interactive and like be in touch with you guys. Don't forget about the giveaway on my Instagram, so be sure to check that out and like be active in the comments down below. Share this with somebody. Share this with a fellow Barb or a part-time Barb or somebody who you want to convert to a Barb. You know what I'm saying? I may not really do a great job at that based off of this, but know in my heart, I was rapping in my mind with my heart. You got it. You know what I mean? You know, yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I love you guys so much. I'm happy to be back, and I'm ready to get it poppin', sis. You know what I'm saying? The Queen of Genovia. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys. Monster. Monster.